Good morning, it's Monday. So you know what that means. Ian Humphrey, motivational speaker, author, coming to you every Monday. If you're just new to the channel or just new to my Facebook page, first I just want to thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. No matter where you're at, Monday morning, maybe you're dragging a little bit. Maybe you're not looking forward to going to work, but I believe we have to change that. Why? Because Monday should be seen as an opportunity because we're still breathing if you're watching this video. I don't care where you're at. If you're at home, if you're at work, let's do it like we do every single Monday. Just take a deep breath with me and just say it. It's a great day to be alive. Today, I want to talk about failure. Someone sent me a question about failure and hitting rock bottom. Very simple. Failure is necessary. So that's what we're going to cover here in this short video this morning. The question that I received was regarding failure. So I want to cover that. We may have covered this before, but here's my point on failure is that it's necessary. However, you know and I know, knowing that doesn't make it any less painless. It doesn't make it any easier to get through. But here's something that we all know. We all know that life isn't easy. And we know that there are people facing some real tough times. Maybe it's you. But when I look at tough times, when I look at difficult issues, there's really nothing new. And here's what I mean by that. Are there any problems out there that someone else hasn't faced before and defeated? So here's what I'm saying. Just the simple fact that knowing someone has faced the same issues that you're going through in their relationship or in their business or in their personal health, the fact that someone else has faced those issues and won, that's got to give you hope. I'm hoping that you know that you have a shot. That's really what keeps me going when I have difficult times, is knowing that I have a chance. And as long as I have a chance, guess what? I'm not giving up. I tried to explain this in this recent conversation that I was having, and the individual that I was speaking to, they just went on and on about not having a chance, about the cards being stacked against them and how they had reached their rock bottom. But here's my deal. I refuse to accept someone saying, the cards are stacked against me or that they don't have a chance to achieve something. If you know my story, then you know I'm the wrong person to say that to. So let's talk about rock bottom. When you're down, when you feel like the cards are stacked against you, because let's be honest, we all feel that way at some point. But let's say you're struggling at work, you can't stay focused. Maybe you're struggling with addiction. Maybe you're having relationship issues. Maybe everybody's looking for you because you owe them something. You feel like you don't have anything to look forward to, and that's your rock bottom. Let me tell you something. I know a little something about failure. If you've been following me, you know that I know something about wanting and feeling like giving up. I know something about hitting rock bottom. Why? Because I've been there. But here's what I also know. Sometimes you can't rebuild until you've been completely broken. And I also know that there's no stronger place to start building that foundation than on rock bottom. So if that's where you find yourself, here's what I need you to do. Here's what I need you to understand. First and foremost, don't you dare quit. There's too many people counting on you, and you have a purpose. I need you to stop complaining. I need you to stop blaming other people for your situation. I need you to stay focused. And I need you to say to yourself that there's no stronger place to build your foundation than on rock bottom. I need you to start building, because that's what champions do. That's what survivors do. If you find any value in this video, if you know someone who may feel like they've hit rock bottom, share this video. I want to thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.